Hi, this is Don, Cowboy Biker Adventures. Today I have for you Fort Stockton RV Park, where I filmed it with my drone. This is right off of I-10 on my westward bound adventure from Florida to Nevada. It's a good place to stop if you need an overnight stay as you're traveling either east or west on I-10. So let me get started showing it to you. I think you're going to like it. This RV park has a total of 58 RV sites that can accommodate any size RV plus their tow vehicle. It has full hookups and their pull-throughs with 30-50 amp connection. They also have a dump station, cable TV, and Wi-Fi. Restrooms and showers and laundry and swimming pool. There's also a nature trail going through the park or around the park and an on-site cafe. They also have RV storage and propane. They also sell ice. It's located about 4 miles from town and close to Walmart. Love's Travel Stop is about 2 miles down the road. It is a Passport America park, but the only months you get a discount are June, July, and August. It's $50 a night, but with Passport America discount it's $25. Now, since I was here in September, I used my Good Sam's discount, which was 10%, so it was $45 out the door. And they do take credit cards, and of course pets are welcome. So again, if you need a little place to stay overnight on your travels down I-10, this would be a good place to stop.
You're so good at dragging yourself down. Why? Well, there ain't much time left to figure things out. Deep underneath all the laser, your doubts. There's a heart gone out of rhythm in despair. Hell underwater, fine for air. Breathe in, breathe out. Hey, come alive. Breathe in, breathe out. Look at the colors, colors, colors around, You got the white knuckles holding on it tight, keeping your fears bottled up inside, heading for collision in the night. To really live, you gotta die.
If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you want to see adventure videos at least once a week and shorts on weekends, be sure to subscribe. So until next time, have a good one.